video, we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 Big Block 4-Speed. This muscle car is a beautiful nod to the iconic performance machines of the 60s and 70s, but with all the modern engineering and technology you would expect from Chevrolet today. Let's start by talking about the exterior design, where the Chevelle has certainly kept that classic muscle car appeal, blending nostalgia with contemporary touches. From the moment you look at the 2025 Chevelle 454, it grabs your attention. The aggressive stance is highlighted by a sculpted hood, wide fenders, and a low profile that screams power and speed. The front end features a large, iconic grille with a modern twist, giving it a sharp, menacing look, paired with LED headlights that not only provide excellent visibility, but also enhance the car's modern presence. The rear is equally striking, with quad exhaust tips and a slight rear spoiler that gives it a purposeful, track-ready vibe. The body is sculpted to perfection, and Chevrolet offers a variety of classic color options, ranging from deep reds to striking metallic blues, ensuring this car will turn heads wherever you go. Inside, the 2025 Chevelle 454 is a blend of performance and luxury. You'll immediately notice the leather-trimmed seats, which offer not just comfort but also superb support for spirited driving. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of room for both driver and passengers, making long road trips as comfortable as they are thrilling. The dashboard has been redesigned to look both retro and modern, with a large digital touchscreen that integrates seamlessly into the car's layout. It supports all the latest in-car tech, including navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The center console has a vintage feel, with the 4-speed manual transmission shifter positioned just right for that classic muscle car driving experience. Of course, the overall build quality is top-notch, with high-end materials used throughout, ensuring the Chevelle doesn't just perform well, but feels luxurious too. Now let's talk about performance. The 454 Big Block engine is a beast, in every sense of the word. Under the hood, you'll find a 7.4-liter V8 engine, delivering around 450 horsepower and an astonishing 500 leva torque. This engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, giving you complete control over every shift. Set, whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it to its limits on a twisty back road, the Chevelle 454 offers an exhilarating driving experience. The suspension has been fine-tuned to balance comfort with handling, providing stability while still maintaining that thrilling muscle car feel. On top of that, modern braking systems and performance tires ensure that you can stop just as fast as you can go. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 Big Block 4-Speed starts at approximately $80,000, depending on the trim and optional features you choose. While this may seem steep, you're not just paying for a car. You're paying for a piece of history wrapped in modern technology and performance. For those who want an iconic high-performance vehicle that also offers the luxury and comfort of a modern car, the Chevelle 454 is a top contender. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 Big Block 4-Speed is a stunning tribute to the muscle cars of the past, built with the precision and technology of today. Whether you're a collector, a performance enthusiast, or just someone who loves a good-looking car, the Chevelle delivers on all fronts. It's got the looks, the power, and the drivability that make it a standout in any car enthusiast's garage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews.